na layunin ng karakter ng EUP ay walang iba kung hindi ang privatisasyon at komersyalisasyon ng edukasyon sa ating pamahalaan.
Para naninindigan na there is in fact a need to improve our information systems. But rather than spending on so much to a wrong scheme, we should develop our very own homegrown systems at maximize ang ating mga eskolat ng bayan ng mga siyentista at mga inhinyero.
As long as our education is patterned and answers the interests of other countries, these neoliberal attacks on our education will get worse over time.
Naninindigan tayo na ang ating edukasyon ay dapat libre, na ang ating edukasyon ay dapat makabayan, siyentipiko at makamasa. Kaya naman po kasama ang student body, the University Student Council is now united with all student provisions who are against the implementation of EUP and all neoliberal policies in education.